Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Geometry Dash account on mobile. To get started, open your preferred browser on your phone. In the search bar, type to Robtop Games Launcher. We're searching for this because Robtop is the official developer of Geometry Dash, and that's where account management is handled. Once the results appear, select the link that says Account Management or Geometry Dash Account Manager. This will take you to the official user management platform. When the page loads, you will see the login panel. Since we want to create a new account, click on the link that says register. Now, you'll need to fill in the following details, like the username, the password, retype the password, and the email. Finally, check the I'm not a robot reCAPTCHA box and hit the submit button. And that's it. Following these steps, your account registration is submitted. Just to remember to check your email inbox to verify your account before logging into the game.